The video captures an interaction between a female driver, identified as Debbie, who claims to be a state's attorney, and Geneva police officers. The incident began when police stopped Debbie after receiving a report that she had collided with another vehicle, but continued driving.
This is Officer Kamal with the Geneva Police Department. I'm doing okay. Hey, Debbie. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink?
I had like lemonade.
Okay. Could you put your other window down, please?
What?
Yes, please.
I'm sorry.
No, can you just put that window down?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Sure.
Okay. What have you had to drink today?
I had like 2 lemonades
Okay. Was there alcohol in there?
a while ago.
Okay.
I'm Debbie. I'm the state's attorney. I'm sorry.
Okay, Debbie. Well, there's some damage to your vehicle.
Oh.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Here. Yeah. I know I have it.
Okay. Well, what have you had to drink? Where are you coming from?
St. Charles,
Okay. Where were you at?
Raw Fox.
Okay. So what have you had to drink today?
Well, earlier today, I had lemonade. And I did have 2,
Okay.
but that was a while ago. So, I'm feeling like you're upset with me.
Well, I mean, there's damage to your vehicle.
I
There's
don't think there
somebody who
is.
got hit as well, which is why we're here, as well as you're driving. And then, obviously I could smell alcohol on your breath. That's the other thing.
I did have 2 earlier.
You
at
did
Raw
have 2
Fox.
what? You had 2 what?
The high noons.
Okay, so how much alcohol would you
But
say?
it's not a lot. It's not a lot.
Okay, but how much? Like 2 high noons?
Well, that was at the pool.
At the pool, okay. How long ago was that?
Like at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Okay, all right, so there's still the smell of alcohol though, which is what I'm saying, yeah. Okay,
But actually, I did stop. I'm sorry.
okay. Well, you almost ran into me.
No, I
I had to
didn't.
back up. All right.
I made my turn. So,
Well, okay. All right, ma'am.
I
So
will
do me a
help.
favor.
I'll do whatever.
All right,
I'm
ma'am.
a state's attorney. I feel bad. Like I'm not.
All right, ma'am. So
my
do me a
home's
favor.
right there.
Okay. Well, do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle. We gotta do some tests.
I'm not going to do field. I feel like.
All right. Well, I mean, step out of the vehicle because there's definitely intoxication here. Based
No,
off
I'm
of
not
your...
drunk.
Okay.
You guys, seriously, I'm like right here. I'm a state's attorney. You help me out here.
All right, ma'am. Well, do me a favor. Just step out of the vehicle
Why?
because you're intoxicated. I need to make
No,
sure
I'm
you're safe
so
to
not
drive.
intoxicated. Not at all.
The officer believes you are under the influence to some degree, and that's why we're asking you to step out of your vehicle.
Why though?
You can decline the field sobriety test, but either way you have to step out of the vehicle.
Why?
The police observed damage to Debbie's vehicle and smelled alcohol on her breath. Debbie admitted to drinking 2 high noons earlier, but attempted to justify her state by claiming she had also had lemonade and insisted that she was still sober.
Well, you said your name's Debbie, right? Okay. Were you able to find your driver's license?
Well, I don't. And I feel like it's not in there.
Okay. Well, how about this? Step out of the vehicle. Like I said, I believe you're
You're gonna
intoxicated.
arrest me? Oh.
Well, and you think you're not, but based off of my observations, so how about this? You step out, we'll do the test. If obviously
I'm
if you
gonna
do,
do field sobriety tests. It's like so embarrassing.
okay, we'll step out of the vehicle because I just want to make sure you're safe to drive, and there is
I'm
damage
only
to your
going
vehicle.
right there. My house is right there.
Okay, well, like I said, Debbie, just go ahead and step out.
No, please. Will you just call one of the Geneva cops, please?
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, like I said, ma'am,
No, seriously.
Based
Please
off of-
call them. Please call them. Please.
all right, we are the Geneva
No,
cops.
I know, but call like one of the guys.
Okay, ma'am. So like I said, you do need to step out of the vehicle. Okay.
You guys, seriously, like what I do for you guys, seriously?
So there's
Like
damage to your
Polly
vehicle.
or any of those guys, really?
Okay, so there was damage to your vehicle because you hit another vehicle and then you kept on driving.
I talked to him. He's like, he was fine.
Okay.
No,
I'm gonna have him
seriously, I
send our
called
unit out. We've got the vehicle here at Cedar
Call
Avenue,
Polly.
Walnut
Call
Avenue.
Paul.
If you could have
Will
a
you
St.
please
Charles
call
unit
Polly?
respond here if
Yeah.
you'd like to interview.
Will you just call off there?
Okay, yeah, we'll call another officer for you.
I'm seriously. I'm looking for my IDs. I have them, I'm sure. In this pool. Oh, here they are. Here.
Oh, perfect. You don't have,
Yeah.
okay.
No, I don't know.
Originated in St. Charles. I understand. I understand your police insurance office. So St. Charles police officer is going to come and speak to you.
Okay.
All right, and you can explain whatever
It's really nothing.
whatever you feel is necessary.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not that. It's like I was driving and the guy said I bumped him and I did a little bit, maybe. I didn't even feel it.
Debbie refused to perform field sobriety tests at the scene, citing health issues such as back and knee pain. She repeatedly mentioned her professional position and requested that officers she knew be called to assist her. This behavior sparked debates regarding fairness and transparency in law enforcement practices.
So once they get here, they'll explain that, and then you
It's
can.
right. I get it. I felt like it wasn't even a big thing. It's like, oh,
I
give
actually
me.
return this to you, and that way you can give that to the other officer,
Oh, thank
okay?
you.
Yeah.
So we'll stand by. We'll
I'm
wait
sorry,
here.
I feel bad.
What's that?
I feel good. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's all right. You can explain whatever they need to ask you about to them.
I was trying to get my insurance card. He's like, oh, it's no big deal. It's not damage. Like, all right.
Okay.
And that was it. So I
Sounds good. We'll let you keep that for them then.
Is it?
All right? For whatever they ask you. Yeah.
Yeah. Is there damage, honestly?
What's your first name?
Debbie.
All right, Debbie. I'm Michael.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry.
Sorry we're meeting on this kind
No, I
of...
feel bad. Like, honestly, I did not think there was any damage.
It's okay. It's all right.
Is there, honestly? No.
I haven't looked at the front of it. Looks like there might be a little bit.
No. So the guy's like, oh, it's all right, it's right here, it's right. Like, great, fine. So then I started to leave. He's like, hey.
All right.
So then I kind of stopped. So.
I understand.
No, you don't. I feel bad.
Well, I don't understand. I don't know what originally happened, and that's
think it was
okay.
a big deal,
That's okay
honestly,
because St.
so-
Charles will take care of it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll come over.
Yes, it's on the way now. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Sure.
Sorry.
No worries.
Sorry, guys.
No worries.
I bumped somebody. I did not. That is worse than I thought.
Yes.
Stoplight.
Did she call you at all?
I don't think so.
Did you speak with him on the phone at all?
No, we were both coming home. I don't know. I know some guy.
Here, let me talk to you. Can you just, for the sake of me making sure, okay, can you try to walk in a straight line?
The incident serves as a clear reminder that no one is above the law, regardless of their status or profession. Driving under suspicion of intoxication not only endangers the individual, but also poses a threat to the safety of those around them.
You said you got bad knees? Do you have anything else wrong with you? Your lower back? Okay. Anything else? Place your left foot on the line.
Oh my gosh.
Left foot on the line. No, you can face me. You're facing me. Left foot on the line. Just like me.
Yeah, but that's a stupid test.
There you go. Put your
I
right foot
could
in front.
not do that so long ago. I couldn't even do that when I was in the U.S.
Right.
No, it's not easy.
You want to try it out? Debbie, don't do anything.
I know. I knew that when I was in DUI. Like, seriously, this is like so. I will. That guy's an idiot.
You want to call Joe?
I told
Try to count two balls, right? Can you start?
You just turn around for me.
No, that's fine. Alright, let me do it. Let me do it. Okay.
No. Turn around.
Stupid.
One call, one is
They're in the car.
two log one in custody for one call, one.
Let me fix your hands here.
I'll work it out.
I know. Let me fix your hands. I'm not trying to hurt you or anything. Deborah.
I got this.
I'm just making sure you're okay. Are your wrists okay?
No.
I don't know if you really will.
Is your car unlocked?
Yeah. Whatever. Just stand by for a second. I'll be back with you in one moment. All right, Deborah, let's go over here.
What?
Just follow his
What do you want me to do? Oh, him?
Yeah, we're gonna follow him. Let's go on this side, man. Let's go this way. So watch your step, okay? Watch your step.
Yep. Can you take it off like I'm not in the
Take one
run?
off. Take one off. The handcuffs?
Yes, yeah. Like, seriously?
They're okay on your wrists.
Yeah, good.
I know. We're gonna get
By
them
the
off
way,
as
I'm
soon
not
as...
going to run from him.
I know.
Seriously?
Watch your head getting in, okay?
Of course. Oh my god, I do this in January.
I know.
Oh, come on.
You want your phone first?
No, nothing.
Your husband can take everything?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, okay.
At 8:45 p.m. on Monday, police stopped a vehicle for driving without headlights. Upon inspection, officers noticed suspicious signs from the occupants and conducted further investigation, leading to the discovery of controlled substances and unauthorized prescription medication.
Alright, so I don't know if I ever told you, the reason I stopped, you got no headlights on, or they're out, one of the two.
My car has been out, and I was driving my ex-boyfriend for a while, and he had automatic headlights, so I had to get reused to my manual headlights. I have to pull them out, and I guess I forgot to pull them out. I'm sorry about that.
No worries. I'm just going to give you a warning, everything's good with your license, okay? He's going to run the K9 around your car real quick, and then if everything's good, then we'll let you go.
How long have you guys been working?
7 years.
7 years? I'm on 2. My mother is a correction officer worker, so is my stepdad, and then my grandfather's a law enforcement. And I wanted to go into it for like a little bit, but then I wanted to start my own business, so.
Yeah, that doesn't meld together very well.
It's good? They're good to go back?
Yeah, he showed interest. You can ask consent or something like that. He showed interest. Nothing, like say, didn't give me an alert. He showed piqued his interest in certain spots. So on that one, I'll go to you. You can ask if you want to. So no problem with that. So yeah. So
like even he hasn't said a word.
Yeah.
And he's looking at it like nervous. His heart's still
Yeah,
beating. I don't know if he's got it on him.
Yeah,
or
he
what.
popped twice on the doors there. Really at her door too. He's like, hey. Oh, okay. All right. Hold on, brother. Break. But he gave some interest there. So yeah, absolutely, ask him. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal in the car that I need to know about?
I just have my mother's Adderall, which I also have ADHD.
Okay.
And I used
This
to,
prescribed to your mother.
yes, but I also have some prescribed.
Okay.
I used to work at a smoke shop, and I have a tray, and I don't know, I just went on a road trip and just got back in my car, so I don't remember everything that's in there.
Gotcha. Okay. Anytime you want to.
The driver admitted to carrying Adderall prescribed to her mother and having items associated with cannabis use. While she claimed there was no ill intent, this action remains illegal, as prescription medication is only lawful when used by the designated individual. This sparked discussions about legal awareness and personal accountability.
I moved from my roommate, but I have some free stuff, but I work at I just know that there might be a grinder in there from the smoke shop. I feel so nervous. I'm sorry. Just I have ADHD, and whenever I'm like nervous, I get.
I got it. You're fine.
So it all makes sense now. So I don't know if you saw his eyes, but his eyes were filled up.
Yeah.
This is in between the passenger seat and the door where he was sitting. And it's prescribed to the mother.
Yeah.
And they said it was in the back part of the car. So he obviously had it on him. He's on it. So,
Absolutely. Yeah.
I mean, that's constructive, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It is.
So you guys both live on the base? Yeah. Your parents work for the Navy, or
She's my
you do?
fiance. We're engaged.
Oh, okay. So you work for the Navy?
Yeah, I'm in the Coast Guard.
I got you.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you guys?
I'm 19.
Oh, cool.
18.
Okay.
Have you asked any law enforcement officer to speak to an attorney? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
So if I choose to talk to you, are you going to interrogate me?
I'm just going to talk to you like we're talking now.
Okay.
I'm not going to take you to the police station, put you in a room or anything like that. I'm just talking to you like I'm talking to you.
Am I going to go to jail tonight?
Well, I got to talk to you. I got to ask you questions.
Okay. All right. I can talk to you.
Okay. All right, so a couple things. Who is he to you?
My fiance.
It's your fiance. Okay. And how long have you lived down here?
I just moved down here like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? Okay. And you said something about driving your ex-boyfriend's car?
Yeah, I had an ex-boyfriend, and it's just, I drove his car a lot, and I had to get used to driving my car because I wasn't using my car so much because it was in the shop.
Gotcha. Okay. So you've been down, how long has he been down here?
He's been down here for 2.5 years.
2.5 years? Okay. And you came down 2 weeks ago. So everything in that car is your car, correct? Okay. So you should know about everything that's inside your car? Okay. So the prescription medication, you told me you had a prescription for Adderall inside the car. We never found that. So we found one for somebody else, but not for you.
Yeah, I said it was my mother's.
And you also said you had one as well inside.
No, I wasn't saying I had it inside. I was saying I had it like on my record. You need to pull public
Why is your
records.
mother's...
The driver's fiancé, a member of the Coast Guard, was found in possession of Delta-8 THC. Although he claimed he was merely holding it for his fiancée, the act violated strict military regulations. Public opinion emphasized that as a service member, he is expected to uphold the highest standards of discipline and lawfulness, as such violations can tarnish both his career and reputation.
So, what was in there?
Like a little panda pipe. That was in the center console. A little tiny glass bowl, which is on the side where he was sitting in the door. And then there's a rolling tray and a grinder under your seat. And inside that rolling tray is a baggie with weed. The grinder also had quite a bit of weed inside of it as well.
I used to work at a smoke shop, and that's some weed that they sold there, and all my stuff is from that. And then I was gonna get my medical marijuana.
Gotcha.
But
so where was the prescription medication at inside the car?
my mother's was on like the handle or near my shifter.
Near your shifter?
Something like that, or like on my seatbelt.
Okay. Did your fiance take the prescription medication?
No.
It's not illegal to take drugs.
I know, but
Okay.
no, he
So why would it be in between his door and the seat?
because we were cleaning out my car for garbage, and that was underneath my seat, and it got thrown up.
It's a pretty weird spot to be. It's like honestly, it was on the verge of tilting out the vehicle. It was like recently moved there is what it looked like. So you're saying it's So the weed is yours. Okay. The prescription medication is the medication your mom gave you. Okay. So you're claiming that as yours. So you're taking responsibility for the medical marijuana, or not the medical marijuana, I'm sorry, for the marijuana and the medication. Because you also told me it was next to your center console and it was nowhere near the center console. So that either says you're lying to me about it, or he moved it when I walked up in an attempt to hide it.
No, it might have rolled across the floorboard. I don't know where
That means I would
found
have to roll across. I told you where it was. It was in between the door and his seat. So that means if it rolled across, it would roll across his lap and it'd fall. So it means
Can I go?
he has no sense of direction or what's going on.
Can I call my mother?
That's not going to do anything. You already admitted to taking the medication and your mother giving it to you. You told me your mother gives you the medication for you to take. For possessing prescription medication, yes.
If it's the same medication as mine.
So why not you just get yours?
Because sometimes I
She
run
gives it
out.
to you, you told me.
No, sometimes I run out, and so she gives me hers, and she goes and picks up mine. I didn't realize that was even illegal. That's what
How old do you think that medication is?
This case serves as a reminder that ignorance of the law does not exempt one from legal responsibility. Possessing controlled substances or unauthorized prescription medication can lead to serious consequences, not only for individuals but also for their careers, particularly in strict environments like the military, where discipline and responsibility are paramount.
You can look up in my records.
Well, we don't have access to that.
My mother can send it on my phone, and I can show you.
The problem is your prescription has to be carried with you. So you have to understand that you have to have that prescription with you. You're going around with your mother's. We're making this assumption, a presumption based on what you're telling us, is that that's your mom's, right? And that you guys are just trading off, which you can't do. Even if the prescription, what's in that bottle, what's for your mom, right? So no matter what, you're not supposed to be taking that. Not only that, it's a narcotic. I understand. We're not saying you're a bad person. We're just saying is obviously you made a mistake because we're talking to you about it, right? You can't have somebody else's prescription medication. It's like as clear as day. You want to go talk to him and I'll hang out with her? Where do you work?
I don't anywhere right now.
Are
I
you-
just quit my job and moved out here.
Okay. So you've been living in Key West?
I just moved down here 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? How many, the prescription bottle, I saw the bottle, I didn't see how many was in it and how many was supposed to be in it.
I have no idea. Sorry. If I could just get my mother on the phone, I know that she would be able to help us communicate.
Yeah, I understand. Just hold off for a second. I'm not saying that won't be an option, but the point is, the idea is still the same, right? You understand what I'm saying, right?
So,
Just
come over here real quick. Can you turn around, face the car? Hands behind your back. Go over here. Turn around.
Thank you for watching the video. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to share and leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing your thoughts to improve our future content.